Everyone, today I am going to discuss the previous year first PU midterm question paper. In that, I am going to discuss with MCQ and fill in the blank. Already I made one video regarding the previous year paper discussion. If you are interested, means go watch in my YouTube channel. Okay, let us discuss with the first question. The SI unit of amount of substance. Okay, see they are asking the what is the SI unit of amount of substance. See the SI unit of amount of substance is mole. Meter we are used for the length. For the mass we are going to use SI unit as kg, and for the electric charge we are going to use the SI unit as coulomb. So for the mole SI unit we are going to use for the amount of substances, and this is a 4 and remaining 3 is there, which are those means time we are going to measure in terms of seconds, and temperature we are going to measure in terms of Kelvin, and luminous intensity we are going to measure with the candela. These are the SI unit you need to remember. One more time I am repeating. Amount of substances we are going to measure with a mole, length we are going to measure with meter, mass, kilogram, electric charge, coulombs, times, seconds, temperature, Kelvin, luminous intensity, candela. This 7 fundamental quantity you need to remember. Next, move on to the second question. The number of nodal planes present in s orbital is, see, if you take the s orbital, that is the s, this is the s orbital, means it is having the spherical in shape, so therefore there is no nodes in the s orbital. That's why option A is the correct option, that is 0 nodes. Next, move on to the third question. The spectral series of line which are visible in naked eyes are. For this one, option B is the correct option, because we not seen the series Lyman, Balmer, Paston, and one more is there, Brockage and the P fund. 5 series is there. Lyman series we are visible with the UV region. Balmer we are going to visible with the visible region, whereas Paston, Brockage, P fund we are visual with the IR region. Okay, the correct option for this one is Palmer, option B. Next, move on to the fourth question. Who conducted oil drop experiment to find the charge of an electron? The correct option is option B, R.A. Millikan, or you can call it as an Robert A. Millikan, or refers here Robert A. Millikan. So the option, the oil drop experiment to find the charge of the electrons is conducted by R.A. Millikan. Next, move on to the fifth question. Entropy is measure of degree of option A, disorderness of the system. So option A is the correct option, because entropy it measures the disorderness or randomness of the system. Okay, next move on to the sixth question. During the endothermic reaction, see the options. Option A, heat is liberated, heat is absorbed. Option C, no heat is liberated or absorbed. None of the above. So option B is the correct option. Heat is absorbed. Whereas in the exothermic reaction, heat is liberated. This is you need to remember. So during the endothermic reaction, heat is absorbed. Let us move on with the seventh question. Delta U is equals to Q plus W is a mathematical expression of first law of thermodynamics. So option D is correct. What the first law says, energy neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can transfer from one system to another system, is given by first law of thermodynamics. The equation, mathematical expression for first law of thermodynamics is delta U is equals to Q plus W, whereas delta U is internal energy, Q is heat, W is the work done. Next, move on to the eighth question. The presence of reactant in the thermoflask is an example for. See, they are asking for the example for whatever they are given the example as in thermoflask. Okay, this is either open system, closed system, isolated system. None of the above. You need to answer. See, thermoflask it is called as an isolated system. See, open system, what happen? Energy and matter exchanges takes place. Example, you can take cup of coffee or cup of tea is an example for the open system. See, if you take the cup of coffee or put it in the table, what happen? Both the exchange of energy and matter is takes place. Next you need to take the closed system. For closed system you can take the cup of coffee as an example, but has to be closed. Okay, in that time only exchange of energy takes place but not exchange of matter. Next, isolated system, there is no exchange of energy and also matter. You can take the example as in thermoflask, in that there is no exchange of the energy and matter takes place. So option C is the correct option. Next, move on to the ninth question. Born-Haber cycle is used to calculate. Option D is the correct option, that is lattice enthalpy. See, Born-Haber cycle were majorly used to calculate the lattice enthalpy energy. Lattice enthalpy or lattice energy. Next, move on to the 10th question. The Mendeleev arranged the element in his periodic table on the basis of atomic mass. So option B is the correct option. See, mainly what he did, he arranged the elements in the periodic table based on the atomic mass. Whereas the modern periodic law, what it says, the arrangement of the physical and chemical properties of the elements are arranged in the periodic functions of the atomic number. So atomic based modern periodic table is given by Henry Moseley. They arranged the elements according to the atomic number, whereas Mendeleev they arranged the element in the periodic table according to atomic mass number. So option B is the correct option. Let us move on to the question number 11. The group 17 elements are called. See, group 17 will come under P block element. We know that P block we have placed 13 group to 18 group, that is boron family, carbon, nitrogen family, oxygen family, halogen family, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, that is called as an noble gases. Okay, see, if you take the group 17, it is come under 17 group, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, acetylene, that is called as an halogen. So correct option is option B's. The group 17 elements are called halogens. See, one more thing, group 16 elements is called as an chalcogens. Group 15 elements is called as an pnictogens. Pnictogens. Okay. This thing you need to remember. 15 means pnictogens, 16 chalcogens. Halogens is group 17. Noble gases are group 18 group elements. Next, move on to the 12th question. The percentage of S character in sp3 hybridization. See, if you take the sp3 hybridization, the percentage of X character is 25%, P character is 75%. So option A is the correct option. Next, the bond angle in water molecule is. See, already I discussed this bond angle in the previous year question paper. Now also I am discussing. So if you take the water molecule, this is the water molecule. What is the shape of this one? Means the shape is bent shape, not the linear shape. Okay, that's why the bond angle of this water molecule is 104 degree 5 minutes. See, whereas if you take the linear molecule, I will take this kind of the linear molecule. It is having the bond angle is 180 degree, but this is called as a linear. But in water molecule, what happened? This is not a linear shape. That is somewhat bent shape. Why? Because due to the presence of lone pair of electron on the oxygen atom. So option A is the correct option. That is 104 degree 5 minutes. Next, move on to the 14th question. The first organic compound prepared by F. Huller from inorganic compound ammonia. This is also I discussed in the previous question paper. Please check it once if you are free. Then the correct option for this one, option C, urea. Next, move on to the 15th question. The glycerol can be separated by spent clay in soap industry by using this technique. See, the glycerol can be separated by distillation under reduced pressure. So option C is the correct option. Next, move on to the fill in the blanks. See, first one we need to see the options. Okay, see, first option is covalent, second is methanol, third is trigonal planar, fourth is oxygen, fifth is the system. Okay, So the 16th question, the IUPAC name of CH3CHO. See, this is a 1. I will give the name numbering 2 here. Lowest number further with respect to the functional group. See, this is called as an ethane, right? Now, 2 carbon atom is there, means we will put the ethane. Now, I will replace this E, okay, and I will put in place of, this is called as an which functional group? This is called as an aldehyde. So, Al I will put, okay. So, option ethanol is the correct option, but in the given the methanol, this is the wrong, so you can write here called as an ethanol. Okay, next 17 question, the shape of the BF3 molecule is, see, the shape of the BF3 is trigonal planar. Okay, if you take the BF3, I will write the structure. This is the BF3, this is called as a trigonal planar structure. Next question number, so option trigonal planar is the correct option. Next, move on to the 18th question, the greater the charge and the cations, the greater will be the covalent character of the ionic bond. Okay, covalent is the correct option. The part of the universe in which observation are made is called as an system. We know that whatever we are going to study, that is called as a system, and after that other than system is called as an surrounding. So how we define universe? Universe is equals to system plus surrounding. Okay, what we are going to investigate, that is called as a system. Other than system is surrounding. Both system and surrounding is called as an universe. Next, the second most electronegative element in the periodic table is, so option oxygen is the correct option. So fluorine is the first element most electronegative, so second is the oxygen. So, do you have any doubts regarding this question? Means you can comment in the comment section. Thank you.